If you're getting 0 views, let's fix it today. It might be one of these 6 things in the way. So, your page needs time and it's fine. There's the period between 1 to 7 days where your account needs time to find its ways. I know at the time your head is hot, but TikTok is just trying to make sure you're not a bot. I'm going to tell you the solutions and how to make sure and find out if that's the case. First of all, you can check by going to your page that is getting 0 views. When you're posting, try to follow other accounts. If you can't follow other accounts or it will say you're following them, then you click off their account and go back to their account. It will say you're not following them. This basically means that your account hasn't had enough time to be verified and no one's going to be able to view your content. If you can't interact with other pages, TikTok won't let other pages interact with you. I actually had this happen to me before I got smart and started buying monetized accounts. If you need one, click the link below. I buy 30 accounts a month from them for me and my students. But before, I had to wait a week to actually do anything on the page. I texted different things, went on other pages and tried to follow them, but it didn't work. You just have to wait it out. It should take somewhere between 1 to 7 days for this issue to be fixed. Just come back every day, try to follow a page, and if it doesn't work, then go off of it and come back later. Reposting content. In a surprising turn of events, TikTok doesn't like you reposting. I know me saying that is not what you were hoping. TikTok algorithm can pick up on reposted content and they won't push your views because it's stolen content. They want original content now. If this is you, then this is probably why your content isn't getting pushed out. To fix this, create your own content. If you don't know how, check out the free course in my bio. And if you're a boss, check out the TikTok automation course where I teach you how to find other people to do it for you for the cheapest price. Restricted keywords. Shockingly, certain keywords can get you flagged. To religion, they'll make your views lag. Number 4, quality issues. You see, if your video is dark or too bright, TikTok's not going to show it. It's going to keep it out of sight. TikTok wants to keep people on the platform. If you're feeding them poor quality content, it's going to annoy them and then the people will leave. Make sure your video isn't pixelated, it's not too dark or too bright. Improve the quality of the content if needed. Reason number 5, your video's under review. To check it out, here's what you got to do. Sometimes it's for no reason at all, or it could be a word in the caption or a particular hashtag that caused this to happen. If there's something fishy in your video, TikTok might take a while to review it and make sure it's nothing scammy. If you want to check if this is happening to your videos, you can go on the video, press share, copy link, and there will be a little pop-up telling you that your video can't be shared because it's under review. With this one, it should be resolved quite quickly. A video shouldn't be under review for more than a day. If it's under review for more than a day, I suggest putting that video on private and re-uploading it later. Hopefully, it should work. Number 6, shadowban. Out of nowhere, a shadowban could be your plight, even though you're posting day and night. TikTok doesn't give any indicators or tell you if you're shadowbanned, but you can check by looking at your video analytics. If less than 20% of your videos are from the For You page, it might indicate a shadow ban. Another sign is suddenly dropping views. If you are used to getting a whole bunch of views and now you're getting very few, it could be that you're shadow banned. To fix this, continue posting as normal and avoid the things that cause the shadow ban. If you're in the creative fund or creativity program, try leaving it and see if that helps your views. I did this with my page and it helped. If there's no improvement after a couple days, stop posting for a few days, even a week, and see if your page starts popping again. I've seen this help many different people in different cases. If you want to keep piecing together free YouTube content, do that. However, if you want the only TikTok automation course from a millionaire that actually did it, the link is in the description. Back to my vacation.